As solar projects move into high wind zones, reliable solar tracking is critical. Introducing FTC Solar's 1P Pioneer Plus High Wind Tracker, built to combat high winds. Built on the proven 1P Pioneer platform, this tracker withstands winds up to 150 miles per hour. Its 0-degree stow minimizes wind load, enables 360-degree protection, reduces downtime, and safeguards long-term reliability. FTC Solar's proprietary damping system redefines high wind stability. Each row features 4 oil-based dampers that absorb energy, reduce structural strain, and keep trackers aligned, even during unpredictable, high-turbulence wind events. Let's compare. On the right, a tracker without dampers, unstable, uncontrolled. On the left, the 1P Pioneer Plus High Wind Tracker, stable, controlled, and engineered for long-term durability. As project requirements tighten and wind risk categories rise, the Pioneer Plus High Wind Tracker stands strong, ready for today and built for tomorrow. Track smarter, perform better with FTC Solar's Smart Tracker Solutions.